An archive of the models from the article. You can train your own, because the models can be very different depending on the training hyperparameters. Machine learning models are trained in Python and converted to ONNX format. You don't need to change their parameters encoded in the encludnik. The settings are simple, but you can add your own filters to try to make the models trade better. At least you can optimize stop loss and take profit on any time frame the model is connected via header file, e.g. 31 March 2024. Added examples from the article about clustering. ONNX Trader clusters bot ONNX models and include file. Clustering is done by k-means method. Training is done from 2010 to 2020. Forward from 2020 to 2024. The ONNX Trader bot supports the second method of training from the article matching trades using clustering to do this. Connect the include file urust ONNX include 10.mqh, which will pull up the corresponding models. Capable 10.onx and capidon 10.onx models are trained on urust h1, but can be used on any time frame. 48,482 best Metatrader indicators profitable expert advisors.